What's up, guys? Travis here. Today I'm going to install some slip-on pipes on the 2018 Sportster 1200 iron. But first, I'm probably going to talk a little bit about the stock exhaust and definitely hear it. And then we'll get the slip-ons installed. So let's jump into it. Here's the stock exhaust, 2-inch head pipes, staggered with slash cut mufflers. And I did read a lot about possibly cutting the stock baffles out, but I heard good and bad stuff about it and just decided not to do that and just order some slip-ons. So that's what I did. So to get these off, I believe you have to loosen that clamp right there. And then there are also 2 bolts right up underneath right there that have to come out. And it should be the same for the one in the front. So let's crank it up and hear what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then we'll get the slip-ons installed. So here are the 2-inch slip-ons that I bought and the stock mufflers. The stock ones are quite a bit bigger than the other ones, but I think it'll kind of give it like a sort of like a slim line looking design, because it'll be about the same size as the head pipes, well, minus the heat shields. But I'm going to see if I can get these slip-ons installed, and then we'll fire it up and see how it sounds. So I got the slip-ons installed. I think they look pretty good. They don't quite match the color of the heat shields on the head pipes, but I think it looks fine. I mean, I just hope it sounds better than it did, because it was way too quiet. So let's fire it up and see what she sounds like with the slip-ons. Well, guys, I got them installed. I think it sounds a hell of a lot better than it did. I can't wait to test ride it, see how they sound like when you're getting on it and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for a test ride video with the new slip-ons. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. They also have removable baffles, but I'm gonna ride around with it like it is, see how I like the sound, and maybe try it without those baffles. I'm sure it'll be a lot louder. The brand name of these are Wyatt Gatling. I was mainly just looking for a louder sound. You know, they make a whole lot better slip-ons and full exhaust. Vance & Hines, Cobra, you know, all the big companies like that. But I was mainly looking for a louder sound, so that's just why I went with these. I got them on eBay for like 134 bucks. I mean, they were pretty cheap. But hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. But guess I'll see you in the next video. Later.